Which side do you like? Side A or side B? So if you pick side A, then you're team sunscreen. Welcome guys, I am Ankita and today I'm going to show you tinted sunscreen for Indian skin. Before I begin, quickly subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Now there is nothing wrong with aging, but to age well is in your hands. And one of the most effective ways to prevent premature aging and signs of aging is by wearing sunscreen. Because truth is, sunscreens are especially designed to prevent short-term and long-term skin damage like dark spots, fine lines, melasma, premature aging, and even skin cancer. So yeah, it's safe to say that applying SPF every morning and reapplying it throughout the day is a must. But often we are not as excited to use sunscreen because most of them leave a white cast, are sticky, thick to apply. Thankfully, someone had a better idea introducing the Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Matte Spray. Yes, you heard it right. It is sunscreen but in a form of spray. Just shake the bottle, hold it a few inches away, spray it generously on the palm and apply it on the face. Now why on the palm and not directly on the face? Is because there are chances of inhaling particles from the sun spray which can be harmful, so always spritz on the hand and then apply on the face. Make sure you apply it all over your neck, ears and any other area that is exposed to your outfit of the day. What I love about this is that it is super lightweight, has an SPF 50 PA++, which is ideal for all skin types. Leaves no white cast, delivers a matte finish. So if you were worried about your oily skin looking oilier, fret not. It is a non-sticky formula that will prevent your face from looking like a sweaty and oily mess. Plus, the best part is that it has a hint of color that enhances the natural skin tone and gives the skin a healthy glow. So on days when you don't want to wear base makeup, this makeup plus skincare product will create an even toned skin-like finish and keep your skin protected from harmful sun rays. But remember, when it comes to sunscreen, reapplying and using the right quantity is just as important as applying sunscreen in the first place. And if you're not reapplying or applying enough quantity, then you're pretty much defeating the purpose of wearing sunscreen altogether. So don't be lazy. This sunscreen has a spray nozzle making it easy to apply it even when you're on the go. So no excuses there. Promise? Ideally, when it comes to reapplying sunscreen, I would recommend applying it 30 minutes before stepping out of the house and should reapply it every 2 hours. Now, since it can be difficult to determine how much spray sunscreen is enough to give you the right sun protection, a good rule of thumb is to spray until your skin glistens or the amount of a small dessert spoon. Now, if you are someone who works from home and thinks it's not important to reapply sunscreen because you ain't stepping out, then let me tell you, the sun rays penetrate from the windows too. Plus, the gadgets that we are glued to day in and day out also reflect light that have a bad impact on our skin. But if you will be wearing sunscreen at home, your skin will be protected from that as well. Let me show you 3 real-life scenarios and how convenient it is to reapply this sunscreen throughout the day. First up, when I'm running errands, I always make sure to carry this sun spray with me in my bag, thanks to its portable travel-friendly size. Just spritz on the palm and pat and blend it onto the skin, and since it's tinted, it can easily go over your makeup without leaving any white cast. Sometime when I'm working out outdoors, I apply sunscreen beforehand and after workout too. Reason being, while working out, sweat gets diluted with the sunscreen you applied prior to your workout. So I make sure after workout, I wipe my face and slather on my tinted sunscreen spray before I leave. And lastly, before I step out, I reapply it while I sit in the car when I have to go for a meeting. Because even if you are inside the car, the sun rays are following you everywhere. So guys, I hope you liked this video on how to use tinted sunscreen spray. If you wish to buy the product, then check the description box below for purchasing links. Before I go, like and share this video and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Bye!